All right, and our reading standard for this Monday morning introduction is RI.9. So you are going to integrate information from two texts on the same topic in order to write or speak about the subject knowledgeably. Now, I want you to look at the word integrate. Integrate means to take information from two texts. So you're going to be looking at two different passages on the same topic. So that means they'll be about the same thing in order to write or speak about the subject knowledgeably. So you should take this information and you should be able to tell somebody about it, or you should be able to write about it. So step one, when you're doing this, you'll be looking at two different passages. So it would help to number your passages, passage 1 and passage 2. Step 2, you will need to determine the topic of both passages. So when you're reading these, you need to determine what the passage is all about. You will have a topic that is the same in both passages, but you need to figure out what that topic is. Step 3, you need to think about the author's purposes. Why did the author write this passage? What did they want me to know? Step 4, you will look for ideas in the passages that are the same. So there will be things in passage 1 and passage 2 that are the same. Step 5, look for ideas in the passages that are different. So there will be things that are the same and there will be things that are different. You will have to decide what's the same and what's different. Step 6, you're going to make a chart to sort your thoughts out. A great tool to use would be a Venn diagram. Now this has 3 circles. Yours will only have 2. But remember, the left side would be about passage 1, the right side would be about passage 2, and the part it shares in the middle would be about both passages. So some common words we use to compare might be same, alike, similarly, also, in the same way, in common, or both. So these are words that you should be able to use to compare whether you're writing or whether you're speaking about those two passages. And these are some words used to contrast. So remember, contrast is things that are different. Compare are things that are similar. So words used to contrast are different, but, unlike, although, differ, on the other hand, even though, and however. So you should be able to use some of these words in your writing or in your speaking. So this week and the week after spring break, we are really going to focus on being able to write and speak about two passages that have the same topic.